Italian food on the go. When most people think about having an Italian dish, they think of taking a seat at a restaurant and also making a night of it. There really isn't much of a quick alternative. For many people, quick Italian food suggests tossing some pasta in a pot and also opening up a jar of Prego, or even worse, throwing an icy meal in the microwave. However, there is another way to experience fast Italian food, and that is with Fazoli's. Fazoli's is a quick Italian food web in the USA. They are currently serving up Italian food in 400 areas throughout the USA. Currently, it needs to be noted that I am making use of the term Italian food extremely loosely below. This is a terrific selection for people who like traditional Americanized Italian food, yet not such a great choice for Italian food lovers searching for a great dish. The Italian food offered right here includes such classics as spaghetti and also meatballs, fettuccine alfredo, pasta, pizza, subs, panini sandwiches, as well as salads. Many individuals like to catch among these timeless Italian food meals with the drive-with. However, these individuals are missing part of what makes Fazoli's so preferred, which is the breadsticks. If you eat inside a Fazoli's, after that you obtain limitless totally free breadsticks. This is Fazoli's trademark, as well as has actually helped them become popular in the USA. While Fazoli's is absolutely not an alternative for high-quality Italian food, it is an excellent alternative to load a food craving for Italian food without needing to go out to a restaurant, as well as occupy an excellent part of your evening. There are not many options today for quick Italian food, and also to lots of people the entire principle of Fazoli's strikes them as odd at first. Convenience food is generally viewed as the domain of hamburgers as well as finger foods. Because of this, Fazoli's has actually not grown as quick or ended up being as preferred as other fast food chains. If Fazoli's continues to expand and acquire popularity, then it might trigger others to start even more quality, quickly Italian food chains. Fast food chains are expanding to include healthy and balanced food selection items, as well as even more quality food for the cash. So there may be more of a place for Fazoli's as the country increases its views on convenience food as a whole. Fazoli's is cheap Italian food, and you actually do obtain what you pay for. Right now, the only other actual alternative for quick Italian food is to prepare it on your own. For some people, making Italian food themselves beats the purpose of fast Italian food, so Fazoli's is a fantastic alternative. With all the various developments taking place in modern Italian food, it's possible that in the future there might be multiple choices for getting fast Italian food of a high quality. Actually, in Italy there are currently convenience food dining establishments that serve good quality Italian food. However, like most points on the planet of Italian food, we can expect for it to be some time before these developments make it to this side of the ocean. Until after that, we'll simply need to make do with Fazoli's, as well as resort to traditional dining establishments to get great Italian food.